In this video, we're going to take a look at BuilderTrend and JobTread to see which one is a better construction management software. So here we have BuilderTrend. So we can see here that they have different use cases. So you can use them for project management, sales management, financial management, materials management, and communication management. So all in one. Now, if we go and take a look at JobTread, we can see that we have overall the same integrations. Now, what I want to take a look at is the pricing. So here we're gonna have to basically choose here. So you're gonna have to enter some information and get a quote. Then if we go back here, as you can see, you already have a pricing for this. So you have a monthly plan, which is $200, or you can save $480 and choose the annual plan. Now, if I have to choose based on pricing, I'd go with JobTread because overall they have the same features. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.